Eric here with Germain Cars, and today we're diving into another episode of Dashboard Light Roulette. A general rule of thumb is to treat your dash lights like you would a traffic light. Yellow means take caution and make plans to remedy, while red means pull over immediately, shut off the vehicle, and call for assistance. Let's spin the wheel! We really should add some positive outcomes here. I think it could help our ratings. Ugh. Don't feel deflated. We're here to get you fixed up and back on the road. You took the time to go through the process of choosing and buying a car that's right for you. Proper tires improve your gas mileage and change the quality of your ride. I will admit, I'm a bit of a tread snob. Tires, shoes, doesn't matter. If it's got a tread, I'm your guy. What is the correct tread depth? Most tires come with between 9/32 of an inch and 12/32 of an inch of tread. A tire is considered worn out at 2/32, and in many states, this is codified into law, including Ohio. Generally, when driving in rain, a depth of 4/32 is required for a good grip, and in snow it's 5/32, which can be very important for our friends in Ohio and Michigan. Some benefits of maintaining proper tread include better stopping distance, better traction, especially in rain or snow, improved ride quality, and safer handling. The best way to check the tread on your tires is to buy a tread gauge. They're inexpensive and they give you an exact reading in 30/2 of an inch. But in a pinch, you can also use a penny. Simply stick it in the tread, and if Lincoln's whole head is visible from the side, you need a new tire. I know what you're thinking. Eric, your tread knowledge is impressive, but what does this mean for expected tire life? Well, the average life of tires is somewhere between 25,000 and 50,000 miles before they need to be replaced. But remember, these numbers are only averages. Don't be a procrastinator with your tires. They are the only vehicle part that makes contact with the road. Hopefully, by not replacing your tires, you expose yourself to unnecessary risks, place more stress on your vehicle, and reduce your gas mileage and overall performance. Make a Germain Service Center your choice for a new set of tires. Well, that wraps up today's episode. Check back soon to learn more about dashboard lights, and drive safely out there, my friends.